Hello, have you seen a business plan? Many business owners have heard of them but have never actually seen one. In this video, we will show a sample business plan that I have written. The purpose is to show you what to expect if you hire me to write a business plan for you. In addition, I am showing you a sample plan so it takes the mystery out of business plan. Hello and welcome, entrepreneurs. I am Mia, the business plan enthusiast, supporter of your success and profitability. The main purpose of my service is to assist you, an entrepreneur, to clearly communicate your business ideas to others. This is done by writing business plans. Please subscribe to this channel and comment with any questions you have about business plans. This will help add more content to the channel. Now, on to the business plan. As you can see, each plan starts with a title page and includes your name, your company's logo and contact information. And next is the table of contents. Each plan is custom to your business, and each table of content will vary depending on what is needed for this plan. This particular plan was 62 pages, and I will scroll through the plan and highlight the topics. I will not read the plan because it is active and confidential. So let's see. So first we have the executive summary, and this just gives a summary of who the company is and a summary of the business plan. It talks about who they are, what they sell, who they sell to in their target market, the company, the management team, the mission statement, the vision statement, the product, description and benefits, an example of some competitors, and then we go on to the industry analysis. Each industry analysis includes the NAICS code, the SIC code, and a description of the industry. We also talk about the competitive landscape, industry analysis, and we do include pictures and charts in the business plan. We go into sales and marketing, so more to the target market. We also talk about finance and regulation, regional highlights, recent news, so human resources. This talks about the employment growth of the industry at that time. We also talk about industry analysis. So as you can see, this had a medium growth. So it would either be high, medium, or low growth of the industry. We talk about industry indicators. We give an industry forecast, industry drivers, critical issues, business challenges, business trends, industry opportunities, insight. So on the executive insight, what that does is gives like more detail on which officer in the business. So like CFO, chief financial officer, chief information officer. What that does is just gives more insight on some concerns that may be going on in the industry depending on the decision maker. So we also talk about marketing, so the strategy and implementation. We give an overview. We talk about positioning, pricing, promotion, distribution. We have a sales plan, and this particular plan had an exit strategy. So basically an exit strategy tells how the business is going to close and gives a time frame and an ideal way for the business to exit rather than just not having a plan for it. We also talk about the financial plan, so the revenue forecast. We talk about revenue by month, the personnel plan, so basically the people in the business, how they're going to get paid. We talk about budget, expenses by month. We have a cash flow, so your cash flow gives you more insight on each month or each year, how the money flows in and out of your business. This particular business had a loan and investment table, so they were receiving loans and also investments. We talk about profit and loss statement. This one went for 5 years. Usually we do 3 years, but you can do 5 years. Um, it has a balance sheet for again for 5 years, a cash flow statement again for 5 years, for a year, and then it goes on to break it down for the next 5 years. And we have that the personnel table for 1 year, the budget for 1 year, monthly detail, loans and investments for monthly detail for 1 year, and balance sheet, same thing, monthly detail for 1 year, cash flow for 1 year, and then that's pretty much the end of the business plan. Um, as you can see, our plans are custom to each business and are all inclusive. The process takes about 50 to 100 hours, or about 3 to 4 weeks to complete. And there's different reasons you can use business plans. So for example, this plan was used to launch an invention and to raise a capital, which both objectives of the plan were met. Thank you for watching this video on sample business plans. I will show more samples over time and would love any questions you may have about business plans. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/the BPE. Thank you so much for watching.